for an upgrade. Welcome to Galley Upgrades. You can use coins you've earned to upgrade any appliance or dish. First, let's take a look at the lemonade Upgrading the dispenser will reduce lemonade refill time from 10 to 6 seconds. Tap here to purchase an upgrade. Close the window. Great. Now let's check this side dish. Upgrading trail mix will increase its value and earn you more stars. Tap here to purchase an upgrade. Great! This upgrade will help you reach... Tap here to continue to level selection.
Hello? Nice!
Yes!
Hi!
Hello? Thanks!
Delicious!
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.